Go to the Layers panel and select a layer. Right-click and duplicate. Go to the bottom layer, then go to Filters and Blur and Gaussian Blur. You could use other blurs as well. And set the radius to about 28 or 30 and click Apply. You can't see the effect. That's beneath this layer. But what you can do, go to Filters, Apply Image. Drag any layer. So what you need to do, just go over here and drag this blurred layer here. So just drag, simply drag and release. And now you can see the blur effect. You can go down here to blend modes. You can go for normal, darken, multiply, run through them. Just try them out. I'm just going to go with hard light. So hard light or soft light, perfectly reasonable as well. But you've also got this, equations. So click here. So SR, I want to turn this image very red. So I'm just going to put SR times 2. You could also put plus, etc. But I'm going to go with times 2 and SG times, maybe just slightly increase the green. Blue, I'm going to keep the same. And click Apply. Once you've done that, go up to Filters and you've got Repeat Apply Image. You can use the shortcut. Apply it 3 or 4 times and you get a very intense, oversaturated, colourful image very quickly using Apply Image.